Yamaha WaveRunners are already known for being the toughest and most reliable PWCs in a growing market, but there are still times when you're going to want to give that extra little bit of protection, and that's where these Yamaha genuine covers come into play. Like every product in the Yamaha lineup, these covers are built with superior construction of the highest quality materials, so you know they're built to last. As a genuine Yamaha accessory, they custom fit to suit your craft. They're non-abrasive, water repellent, UV, mildew and rot resistant. One standout feature of the genuine covers is this vacuum hold system, which actually draws the cover snugly down onto your WaveRunner during transit. The other feature is we've actually got 2 zip compartments, one to get inside here to your glove box, and the other right at the front. So you've got easy access to your fuel filler cap for when you're ready to hit the water. There's covers available for a huge range, so to find the perfect fit for your WaveRunner, call into your local dealer or jump on shopyamaha.com.au.